taking a wide swing.
Yeah, that's why I didn't go past them.
Big truck.
Good afternoon. We are seeing some accidents and delays out there, and it's all sponsored by UPSjobs.com. You are really jammed on 15 in Dillsburg, both directions.
So this is the York bypass,
Bypass, yeah.
which goes round the top of the city, but it's just wall-to-wall shopping parks on one side, car dealerships. So up there you've got your Mexican restaurant, T-Mobile, gas station, and over here you've got yet more shopping parks.
Burger King.
Oh yeah, Burger King as well, and more shopping parks over there, and just coming up now to the junction with Interstate 83.
Jiffy Lube.
Jiffy Lube, Arby's, place where you can get your tyres done, Aaron's Med Express, beef jerky,
Expensive beef jerky.
expensive beef jerky, Taco Bell, and coming round, and of course the ubiquitous McDonald's. So that big white building over there that you can see behind the bill poster, that is the Harley-Davidson motorbike factory, or one of their big factories. The other one's in Wisconsin, but the one here in York, Pennsylvania is their other one. Yet more car dealerships. Buick, GMC,
Fireworks store.
the Keystone Fireworks Store, open all year.